Thanks to Grams28 for sponsoring this video. When choosing a bag to carry your most essential tech items, you want something that not only protects but also looks good. That's exactly what this bag offers. This is the 151 Stealth Backpack from Grams28, one of the most premium tech bags you can buy. The 151 Stealth Backpack from Grams28 epitomizes the blend of impeccable design and premium craftsmanship. Designed to be the ultimate everyday companion, this backpack seamlessly integrates versatility with a minimalist aesthetic. At its core, the backpack offers unparalleled functionality tailored to diverse lifestyles. Whether you're a photographer needing a reliable camera bag, a tech enthusiast carrying essential gadgets, or a professional navigating daily meetings, this backpack effortlessly adapts to your needs. Crafted from full-grain Italian pebbled leather, every detail of this bag exudes quality and durability. The premium leather not only ensures longevity but also develops a rich patina over time, making each backpack unique to its owner. The design is both understated and refined, with meticulous attention to detail. The separate padded laptop sleeve accommodates up to a 16-inch MacBook Pro, complemented by a waterproof zipper for enhanced protection. A thoughtful addition is the padded slot for a smaller bag such as the 153 Sling Mini or 131 Essential pouch, ensuring efficient organisation of your essentials. One of my favourite parts of this bag is the custom cut aluminium buckle on the front pocket, adding a distinctive touch to the bag's front panel. The back straps riveted into the panelling for extra durability ensure the backpack maintains its shape whether lightly or heavily loaded. Moreover, the ergonomic back panelling is designed to distribute weight evenly, providing comfort during prolonged use. Whether you're embarking on a business trip or a leisurely outing, the 151 Stealth Backpack is designed to stand out in the best way possible. Now, let's delve into what sets the current version, known as version 2.0, apart from its predecessor. These updates added to this new version elevate an already exceptional design to new heights of functionality and convenience. First off, the interior of the version 2.0 has been significantly upgraded. It now offers the flexibility to freely configure the main space using the included dividers. This enhancement allows you to tailor the backpack storage to your specific needs, whether you're carrying camera gear, tech essentials, or everyday items. Another notable improvement is found in the front pocket design. In version 2.0, the front pocket not only maintains its sleek appearance but also integrates interior organisation features. This includes compartments for smaller items like pens, cards, and a buckle closure for added security. Furthermore, as previously mentioned, the laptop compartment has been enhanced with an additional slot for a small organiser or sling bag. This clever addition maximizes the interior space of the 151 Stealth Backpack, ensuring efficient storage and easy access to your devices and accessories. These upgrades definitely make version 2.0 of the 151 Stealth Backpack a versatile and practical choice for modern professionals. So let's look at what I am currently carrying in this bag daily. My essential tech starts with my 14-inch MacBook Pro, a cornerstone of my daily workflow. This device strikes the perfect balance between power and portability, essential for managing my entire business on the go. I particularly appreciate the sleek contrast of the black keyboard against the classic silver variant, which adds a touch of elegance to its functionality. Whether I'm editing and rendering 4K footage for YouTube or handling intricate design tasks, the MacBook Pro consistently delivers robust performance without compromise. For anyone who is interested in hearing more about this Mac, I've recently uploaded a video comparing this Mac to the 15-inch MacBook Air. Link to that will be in the description below. Alongside my MacBook Pro, my essential tech arsenal includes the brand new 11-inch iPadPro with the M4 chip, finished in sleek sleek silver. This device has quickly become indispensable for its incredible design and versatility. Whether I'm engaging in light content creation, drafting scripts, or simply enjoying media on its stunning display, the iPad Pro excels in every role. Its portability ensures it accompanies me everywhere, seamlessly blending work and content consumption. The new Apple Pencil Pro enhances my creative workflow, particularly when crafting and editing thumbnails. It's an accessory I've come to rely on and love. Carrying my Sony a7 IV with me is essential, and the Stealth Backpack ensures it's always safe and secure. Before using this backpack, I hesitated to transport the camera around because of its value, but now I have complete peace of mind. As for the camera itself, it's been a recent addition, but it's already transformed my content creation. Whether I'm working on personal projects or for clients, this professional grade camera enhances the quality of my work significantly. I'm continuously amazed by its capabilities and how it elevates my content to new heights. I'm finding every new video I create is an opportunity to explore and learn even more about its potential. In addition to my Mac, iPad and camera, the Stealth Backpack also houses all my essential tech accessories like SSDs and SD cards. With dedicated compartments for each item, everything has its place, making organisation effortless. This bag truly excels in its ability to keep my tech gear organised and easily accessible wherever I go. After using the 151 Stealth Backpack from Grams28, it's evident that this bag is crafted with meticulous attention to detail and functionality. From its sleek design to its practical organisation of tech essentials, the backpack proves to be a reliable companion for modern lifestyles. Whilst yes, it may come with a premium price tag, those who value luxury and quality will find it well worth the investment. The 151 Stealth Backpack offers not just a way to carry your gear, but a stylish and durable solution that enhances your daily routine effortlessly. So, what do you think about this tech bag? Let me know in the comments below, and if you are still watching up to now, then hit the thumbs up button and think about subscribing to the channel. For anyone interested in this bag, link to that will be in the description below. And thanks again to Grams28 for sponsoring this video. For those of you who have noticed my wallpapers and want the same look for your devices, then check out my brand new Waves wallpaper pack. If you feel like being awesome and want to support the channel, link to that will be in the description below. For now though, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.